Today, we are going to draw something super cute and cozy. A cute bed. Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's draw 4 tall pillars of the bed. First, draw a circle on top. Then, a long stand going down. Do the same for all 4 corners of the bed. Now connect the pillars by drawing the base of the bed. This is where our blanket and pillow will go. Let's draw a big, cozy blanket on top of the bed. Give it some waves so it looks soft. Now draw a cute pillow near the head of the bed. On the side of the bed, let's draw a big heart shape. Nice job, everyone! Our bed drawing is complete. Now, let's go over the whole drawing again to make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Here are our color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Let's say the colors together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, you're doing amazing! Great job, little artists! Your cute bed drawing looks fantastic! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawings here on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.